go to school?
Yes.
Now my fault to go to school.
Now my fault.
I don't want to go.
You must go to school.
I don't want to go.
You must go to school.
What is this, sir?
Yeah.
And they talk, I said, I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. If they force me, make I go to school. Now my fault. Take this. I don't want to go anywhere.
Eh?
I don't want to go anywhere.
You must go to school. You must go to school. Oh, start going to school now. What be your Don't you know that education is the key?
Which key? Mom, education is which key? How many key your own education open for you? How many doors? Like since you know say education is the key. Why you not go pack all the keys? Education key where did you end? My mom, papa kitchen here. Why you not marry president? Why you not marry governor? Since education working all these people don't go school finish. Where them they? Maybe then they drive keke. Maybe some of them they do some minority job inside this village. If they call me say education this, education that. School no there for my destiny. There's no school in this family. My papa no go school. So no force me oh. No force me oh. No force me. I don't go any school. I don't go any school. I don't go any school.
Theophilus, I say you must go to school. Whether you like it or not. Go to school. Go to school. You said I'm wasting my money. Okay? Allow me to waste my money in peace. It's my money that I'm wasting. So allow me to waste it. I would rather waste my money than to allow you to be an illiterate. Or be impossible, not in this house.
Illiterate or Basrago?
Illiterate or Basrago? You must go to school.
You don't want me to be illiterate.
Yes.
You don't want me to be illiterate.
Yes.
I
am what I am. That's why I want you to go to school. You are my only son. You will go to school. Full stop. Okay.
Hamako.
Ejingi.
Hamako.
Am I holding you?
Leave me alone.
Ejingaka, Theophilus.
Leave me alone.
Ejingaka. Go to school. Your mates are in school. They are in school. Go to school and learn something. Empty head. Your way here is sick. Empty head. Go to school, my friend. I got it goes back for how you say about the so
you shake my brain.
Yes.
You shake my brain.
I will shake your two legs too.
I don't want to go. Leave me alone, no.
You know what?
No, they waste your money, oh. If you want to waste your money, go buy a bada. Go buy a couponless. Or get through tafita. Or get through the card. You need a Korean labor on a very alone. Okay, Gaga. Stop pushing your money saying you want me to go to school. I don't choose saying I literate I want be. I don't want to go to school. Now actor. Now here I want be. I want to be actor of Nigeria Movie Association. Oh, you have to do that actor. Now in there inside my blood. Now what I want be. I don't want to go to school. Leave me alone. This woman, no. I don't get him.
Jump now. You must go to school.
You must come to school.
I think you must go to school. You are mad. Look at this for you.
Hey, where going to be? Where is it? Where? Commando. Hi, Chaka.
Theophilus.
Uncle.
What is it that you're doing?
What did I do?
Wait. That thing that you're just displaying now, what is the meaning of that?
And why they talk like this, say you don't know me? Now so actors they do.
Eh?
Yes, anybody will be actor. If you are not running mad, that means you no go make out. Actors supposed to do anyway where they see you, the people go no say you be actor. So they put myself into actorship.
Hey! You're putting yourself into actorship. Within here free name make it. Go no ban Niaja. By the way, excuse me, where do you think you're going to? Niaja.
Are you asking me?
No, I'm asking myself. Where do you think you're going to now? Are you asking me?
What kind of question be that? I resemble children for your eyes. I be small pikin. Before I leave my house, come out here, I know where they go. So this your question no get meaning into my life.
Theophilus.
Uncle Philos.
Theophilus.
Uncle Philos.
Be useful to yourself and our family. Okay? This thing you're doing here is not what you're going to do in life to survive. Be useful to yourself. Imagine how you're running mad on this road and you're telling me that is how actors behave. You pay Jews and they be the region from beginning. Go and ask questions about how they ended. Theophilus, how many times did I call you? You don't know Gakao. And I have give you Therefor. Our major concern in this family is for you to go to school. Not this thing you think you're doing here. Say you want to be an actor. Eh?
Please, uncle. It's too early. Make I stand here to talk with you.
Who do?
Please allow me. Make I live my life. My life as I want to live. What thing be this, self? Anytime school. Everybody talk school. As if say school there for our family. Who got school for our family? From the story I gathered about our family, I hear say our great grandpapa ya won pam pagiha. The man died as a tibolibo. Eating pataki anya shini. Then your papa, person where born your papa, ya direct papa to your papa, will be my papa, grandpapa, and papa of KGK. Him to die itibolibo. Iti anyo ye. Kete come kete until he couldn't adjust her. Then una papa direct will be your own papa. Papa pam. Then papa uncle Ejike will be atona. Him only in die as a nkete or pronounce there for one day until you take query iwe. So where I go come get the school from? What I go look for school? You say for day here, see your English as the manager. Ebudishe kangani, ebudishe nkokwa. Now caught like that, people just them. Do you know how many wahala your English don't cost for this village? No, but I am but all English you know because you no go school. You man no so you no go school. Elezo nyem gele danya aga school ah. Nna agad. Nna agad. Cause makem. Mamu wi ti ocha. Hapu ko to na acha baba. Itim pataka. No be you tell me where my papa see and marry. Where she dey hawk akara. Akara ako. Buy akara. Ya na acha bra akara obunishi. Mpa ma tegere ya. Puri iti, was iti amo iti. And you expect me to go to school? Mpa beg come out from that place talk better thing. Some guy school. Who school help? I want to be an actor. Actor wa kono him gam. Oga wo tem pai kan ime actorship Nigeria Board Association. Mbulie makashan. Prote. Brebe mote I go carry my two hand ote put for trotro ya pistol. Until you te ham koko ya da pakachim. Haba. Mkade commandos. Uncle Hapuko. Autonom nime. Ime ejere mo him gawo. My destiny not to become actor. If I no be actor, I go die. Yes. Not some gas school.
Theophilus.
Uncle Floss.
Theophilus.
Uncle Floss.
Help yourself. Theophilus, you're running mad. I'm telling you, you're running mad.
I'm running mad.
Help yourself.
I'm running mad.
I
don't even get time today here to talk with you. Uncle to a madman. No time to talk to me. People no can beat you. Leave me as uncle. Where you say your brother they run mad, they happier. And I yara. Just thank your God say I never become actor. Uncle, that father don't go late. Over.
Hey! Okwa no kiko ko onye a na-eko. Theophilus. Akwa na-agbo gị ibi gị na-eto afọ. Here. Nna le kwa no isi obo.
Theo?
How far?
Fine.
Did they come from this Mpaglobo?
I
beg no vex make I ask you. Because you know whether Obioma don't open.
Obioma? Which Obioma?
Obioma now that boy will get shop for Junction there where they show film.
Okay, Obioma. I was just passing by. I saw people gathering. It's like they want to start showing movie.
Show you movie? Then they craze? Oh no, you know it's not possible. They no fit try am. Why they go show movie when me I never come? Sure. Me we be Nigerian Movie Association. We're supposed to be there. See, they no fit show any pakam. Even if they saw they don't rewind the tape, rewind and reach the beginning. They no go press play until me show. If they come play, who go come tell the story? Now we be film people. Now we go tell story when the film don't finish.
Is you-
If they plan for those people there, nobody go fit tell the story when they want us. So now we be Movie Association Nigeria Incorporated.
Tio.
And me, I must be there before her Tige na theory.
One,
Remember my name na Tio.
you have to
And
hurry.
everything that has to do with my name with the theory. You don't understand?
Yeah.
Make I rush there now, go start the watch.
You have to hurry now. You have to hurry.
Look at you. I have to hurry. Now small language be that one. I don't dey there already. Remember, all why one movie association, one day kwesịrị ịkọrọ ha film. No be them supposed to call a film.
Huh?
Yeah. Peace of go on, continue your pissing.
One.
Let me go and watch.
Tio.
I'm on your film.
One.
You got to go.
Hurry now, hurry
Let
and
me
go.
so hurry. I don't dey do already.
Tio.
Hey.
Anabala gumba na tiekwe anabala ikekwela ọgụ mmọnwụ ikekwela take it easy now. What is it? What is it now?
Enemy don't enter our compound. Enemy don't enter our compound. Enemy don't enter our compound. They don't kill my brother. They don't kill my brother. They don't kill my brother. They don't kill my brother.
I beg you, better. Which of your brother they kill?
Which one of my brother where you know when no be educated? My brother where they do at for Lagos. Educator. They don't kill. They don't kill educator. They don't kill educator.
Hey! Which kind of word? Where they kill him?
Now for Lagos, so you know do them anything, no. On no kromwe, one them na da choku. One we maka mabra me. Onye lule ase no wembo. Onye lule na chodoku. Ya putaku wa yaketo da choku. So si hona no atowo na. Only ato na him my brother be. How carry gun like this? Enter that office when they stay do work for city there. The man enter there. Come hold gun like this. Come they speak English. Ote. So I saw you ote. You dey no eh. Ya. Paka na tro ebe ote. Rakatam. Ye no ni sigu de mote. Waja si ote de ma waja sanwo. Hey!
Hey! You see why they told them I no go any city. Say my destiny dey this village. As I'm cook it again, I'm cook it again, one again. We again kuno win nani. When they rush they go city. Huh? Which kind of be this one now? Which kind of be this one? Which kind of wicked word we dey self? Hey! And see what will happen. Beg, no cry again. Oh, no cry. No cry. Hey, see, I go come for house. Come sympathize with you.
Make una come quick. Make una come quick. Make una come quick.
Nam take heart. Biko, oh, take heart. Oh, take heart. Biko.
I know they take any heart. They don't take all the heart. They don't take my heart. They don't take heart. Which heart I go take again? Somebody will take up the money like Ejike. Waiting remain. Which heart again remain? They don't take my heart. They don't take. I know they take any heart. I know they take any heart. I don't 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 take any heart.
If you have to know, they try to take soul, body or spirit because. Hey, Ejike, oh. I'm the one that Ejike, our brother, our own brother. Hey.
All I'm saying is this. We need to try everything possible to make sure that Theophilus go back to school. Instead of him causing trouble here and there all over this village. Please.
Day, honestly, I'm tired of Theo's attitude. I don't even know what he wants to become in life with the way he's behaving. I'm tired. He can't go.
My dear, all that have to stop. We need to put a stop on that right now. Is it better he caused trouble here and there, fighting every day by day? It's not better. That is not the best.
It's not true.
So Biko, I etinye okwu ahụ ọnụ ka amara ife a ga-eme ya. Ihe agbụrụ What is the problem?
Oh God, our enemy don't come to us. Our enemy don't come to us.
They set trap for you. What is the problem? Go straight to the point. Neko capture.
Hey, Tio, please stop running around. If you want to tell us what happened, you tell us. If you don't want to tell us, because Sebapo, I don't want your time, oh. You don't have your time.
My heart don't break. My heart don't break.
Theophilus, can you just go straight to the point and talk to us? What happened?
Ejike, my uncle. Ejike, my uncle.
Ejike beat you.
Ejike don't die, yo.
My only brother.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Get water! Don't yama, wake up! Get water, Tio! Get water! Don't yama, Biko. Don't yama, wake up! Get me water, Theophilus! Wake up! Tio, how did you get this news?
The boy that my uncle Ejike do business with. Now that boy enter in office where he dey for table. They press in laptop computer. My brother dey for a laptop computer. Come they press laptop where they inside the computer. As if they press and the boy enter. Come manga kana beyond the bar yote ebe netige egbe udi ngwu a commando netige bomb na egbe shote pali we lote me pota egbe we tie dem nezire say your money my money or your life ka dem to pon before my brother go open mouth talk wote ye wure pencil wote one twice obra mi se wule mi se obo Dele ma wotro
That boy had bad intention before coming to the office. If not, he wouldn't have went to Ejike's office with a gun.
No be because of that too. No be bad intention make I kill am. That because of me they kill Ejike. That because of me I'm one rising star. Mo commando of our time. How boy you get near mark the person will go help me become commando. How boy you to me she walk Christ ni here. You take the boy Ejike ni. I want more near you boy Ejike come from man one drink come man Rebecca am na cho be teto. Unyo na Ejike go there there now.
That was a very painful way to die. Very painful way to die. Tio. Uzuko.
What is it? What's wrong with you now?
Hey, I'm just coming from Tio's house now.
What happened?
Hey, Uncle Ejike is dead.
Ejike? Which Ejike?
The only actor we have in this village is dead, though.
Ejike is dead. It's a lie. It's a lie. What happened? Was he sick?
Mba, I heard he was shot in the city.
Hey! Shot! Hey!
Oh my God, what is happening?
If you stay in this village, you'll be scared of them using charm to kill you. Now if you step out from the village, you'll be scared of guns. What is the problem? What's happening? What kind of word is this now? Our own Ejike is dead. Hi.
What is this word turning into?
I'm going.
My sister, I have to go.
Hi. Uncle Ejike, the only actor we have in this village is gone. I can't believe it. Oh my God. What kind of life is this? What kind of life is this? Oh.
Now, guys, how far now? I know they understand now. Which one all of us they had just a drink? How far for the smoke now? We don't arrange them again now.
Now anybody for make we contribute. Now what for now? They talk now.
How far now?
I go bring. And they talk now. If they talk,
Nero.
for you.
Nero, how far now? Nero.
How much you they bring, sir?
You can't talk with that. No be 50 naira. I go pay for everybody. When you collect the money, just.
Nah, see you.
Thank you.
You go buy them now. Only you go smoke.
Make them buy and pay.
For this one.
Which one be this one?
Wait, oh.
Make a hold on now.
I think they bite you.
Wait, who?
This one where your face there like
Who now wants to go buy this thing?
I know any money. If you get more, buy something more, run one or two for you. I know done fresh.
Saru.
How far now?
Go to this now, Saru. Now.
Nah, I'm not sure. See,
Well done. You to
Queen.
Yeah.
You to Queen. You to Queen. You to Queen zone.
I beg now, and I come see. Frog enter water, and the water wey him drink don't full him mouth. If you open mouth now, so water go dey come out. Since where that Iroko tree fall for my family, you bro take up me. I never get myself. I dey try make I come out from that shock, but I dey kwem. I won't come out, I dey kwem. If I won't come out, I dey kwem. Never the way. Now you make I say make I conceal now. I know say I say Ejike don't die. In burial go be one in town. No be umururu burial within that name mega shebe. In burial go be burial of actors and actresses. All the Nigerian Movers Association, hani legaging guy ye petempe. Onye wule na hu do mara so onye ka ha wuda ato. And na na ato nde kuku maka nta maka ndi just born. As ma ato ndi America hani lega abia tanga. Commando hani le mochi na canopy ka. So guy ga akwa akwo. Onye m December na ekweshi me ime gini. I suppose conceal na. Make una do what? Make una follow put hand, make the burial day very color. So my uncle dey plan go Agbani village. Make him go bring those people where they dig grave. I can't say what is the need. Say we have people where they do am for this village. One carry and come out, go call other people. Cause we on them Babiragwe. Already we don't have people from Mumba that is coming. I don't see and say why in go come out go carry people. Why I have jobless people like Una. we no get to work.
Tio?
What you
No, we can't talk with that one now.
I don't understand.
I know you should not. I don't let this guy think, no. I go come and talk say me and my man we no get handwork.
So we take jobless.
Who dey jobless?
No go work yesterday.
No be me and you follow go work yesterday.
Imagine now.
I don't like this kind of thing. I don't like him.
Maybe we hear am. Wetin you dey tell us?
Wetin I mean.
If you want talk oh.
Calm down. When we hear you finish.
Wetin make we do to you?
I no mean say una no get work. Yengo kai one hore, one carry on no get here. No job pass this one una dey here dey drink. No be wetin I mean. I say una dey do am well. The time wey do okoro die. No be una dig the grave. Do okoro since that time I don hear him. Ngogoro onye olulu wa maso. When that nwuru die, man the best. No be una dig the grave.
Now we dig am now.
The woman no dey rest in peace. When lie here for this people house, for when Jennifer die, no be na dig the grave. Since that time the woman dey there, they rest. You know say inside movie industry, some people go die for actors and actresses. If they die for film, they go still wake up, come they go around, they sleep with people. Even I see Amechi Monago when he die for one film. Amechi Monago, that Anambra man, he die come stand up like this, come go around, come they sleep with people wife. Even here, Haribi, Haribi die ote. Yeah, the kulitote with fuko and the cotton ball the way they put for his nose, put for his ear. You see carry the cotton ball. Con go near Luma Imote. Name me like which kind of dead person be this? Because the grave they know they can wear. Now you make I say, if say una come, I go talk to my uncle. Make una dig 12 feet. Now they dig 6 for other people. My brother supposed enter 12. So that once he don't die, you no go get mine to come out again. Come the waka around. Cause he can and come question. What they give agari. You know that kind of thing.
No wahala. We don't hear you. Even if you want 30 feet, you go dig am. No be so.
So now.
My own be say I don't hear wetin we talk. We don't hear wetin talk. If not for anything, I like that respect and regard when give us say move con dig something. Now recognition be that. You try. That one no be problem. We go talk. We go nasi go be.
And make it not forget to keep.
Normal ritual. I suppose no na.
Better soup na money killer. My own be say make things dey there. As we dig am, our drink must dey there. Our unfiction must dey there.
You're not supposed to talk. My brother and actor. All the actors of Nigerian Movie Association, all of us go full there that day. They go there. You go see our canopy go there. Everything go there. If anybody talk, I go just shut up that person. Ozu was I. Ozu, what would those I?
Ozu now, I'm Ozu now for you.
Ngwan.
Let me run. Ngwan now.
No problem. We'll come see
am. But the thing say, if I don't dig the grave finish, I go tell those actors of Nigerian actresses, may they name una Grave Digger Association. Yeah, they will.
Tio con dey go.
Tio.
Don't come make me best on you go.
When I meet my uncle soon, no.
No problem. We'll come. No wahala. Guy. See what you. I give you 1K. Don't be that way when you go buy.
Give me.
Come on, there. You bring 1 naira. He want rush. Come collect. I don't bring money here.
Don't buy that way when you buy yesterday.
I go buy him for that my nigga, that Achere guy for a place.
One babe. You think carry me come here? Eh? I want me you do small favor for me. See, Mama Tio, for this village, I be the #1 cook. Stainless, I be the #1 Mama Tio. You see, I say make I rush come before everybody go come book am. I want me I be the #1. Pertaining to educate them burial. Mama Tio, you see, when Mazuko die, a month before that man die, the family don't come book me ahead. Say na me go cook. Hey, he ain't chilling. I come bosh out. You dey surprise me say only for this village never taste my food. And me sing chanaka. Mama Tio. You see, for this family, now you be the only woman. We go organize everything. You know, say the case wife no fit do am now. They make me rush come. I come meet you as one ibem. Me for help me small. Hi. Ejike.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.